operations on real numbers. Aparajita, what is real numbers?
So both rational and irrational numbers come under real numbers.
Very good. Both rational and irrational come under
Real numbers.
very good. So operations means Subhasri, there are 4 arithmetic operations.
Sir, I'm Subhasri, sir.
Subhasri, tell me.
Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division.
Very good, very good. Good. So that means real numbers. In real numbers, we are going to apply addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now, so I explained you previous class. I want to revise once with the following examples here. So plus root 3. So plus root 3 minus root 3. Both are cancelled. Plus into minus, however, minus. So both are cancelled, get 0. So addition of 2 irrational numbers here become rational number. So root 5 minus root 5, here subtraction, here addition, here subtraction. Subtraction of 2 irrational numbers also 0 is a rational number. Product of 2 irrational numbers, root 2 into root 2. Generally you will get root 2 square. So square root 2 cancel, you will get 2. 2 is a rational number. The last one, division of 2 irrational numbers. What I want to say here, so some cases, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division also rational number. Some cases. So look here, I'll give you more details. So here, come here, question number 3. So what is the question number 3 here? 21 plus root 3. So root 3 is irrational number. So this 21 is rational. Rational plus irrational equal to irrational only. All are irrational numbers only. Okay, here addition, because 2 different. Here children, product 5 root 2. 5 is rational number, root 2 is irrational number. Product of rational and irrational, also irrational number. Division also irrational number. Here children, here also they given plus. However, pi is irrational number. We studied previous class. So this is. Now, already I hope you kept heading, side heading, operations. Number 1, first identity, like first property and first formula. Root A into root B is equal to root AB. So here root is separate, square root is separate. You can write common square root. Shifar, is it clear? Yes, very good. So example, root 2 into root 3. So common root 2 into 3 is equal to root 6. So root 7 into root 5, they are both at different, like they have separate square roots. You can write common square root. 7 5, 35 if you multiply that. So now come back here, same example I am taking like this. Okay, inverse like vice versa, like. So root 35 is there. Root 35 we can divide into square root of 7 into 5. 7 5 is 35 or not? So you can write separate. Same step, I wrote reverse. Okay now? So take same step here, 6 is there. Here root 6 is there. Root 6 also you can express as square root of 2 into 3. So root 2 into root 3. You can write separately. Therefore, formula like identity is always either LHS to RHS, RHS to LHS, both are equal. That is the meaning. Yes. Now, Aparajita, 1 second. Root 2 into root 8. So root 16. Root 16 is 4. Is it rational or not? That's why product is maybe rational or irrational. Maybe. Okay, both is possible. Okay now? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. First, apply this condition. Root A into root B is equal to root AB. If anything like that, you can divide, you can combine. Next, identity 2. Stop writing. Look here, boys. Root A by B. Previous one, product. Now, common root. You can write separately. Root A by root B. Separate. Very simple. Common root, we can divide into separate. Root A by root B. So here common square root is there. Square root of 2 by 3. Root 2 by root 3. Separate. Okay. Here also root 7 by 5. You can separate. Root 7, root 5. You can write like this also. I given you here same example. R. They given separate. You can combine. Just Mohit, explain.
Sir, we formula we are used is a power m by b power no a power a by b whole power m is equals to a power m by b power m, sir.
Yes.
With that we wrote this formula.
Yeah. Okay. So Aditya, explain.
So in this, the identity is like if we are taking a by root a by b, so we can separate it and solve it like root a by root b.
Clear? Yes.
Sure.
Shall I go to next slide, children? Yes, Afra, doubt?
I have a doubt, sir.
Yes.
So in the example, root 3 by 4, we made it into root 3 by root 4. So
Yes.
4 is written as 2 squares, so should we?
Yeah, you can write, no problem. No problem, because root 3 by, so root 4 means 2, we can write, no problem. Nothing wrong.
Okay, sir.
Root 4 means 2 only, you can write.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is all just examples, okay? Now, look here, attention please. Now, look here, children. So, we know that A into A square. A into A square. So, root A into root A square. Because A is there, A square. So, root A into root A square. However, square root cancel, you will get A. Is it clear? After that, we know that this formula from 8th grade, A minus B into A plus B, or A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square. We'll learn third identity in algebraic expressions. Okay, now same like this, minus like here, root of root A minus root B, root A plus root B. So, A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square or not? So, where there is a A, you will write root A. Where there is a B, you will write root B. Square root cancel, you write just A minus B. Just copy. Now, fourth formula, fourth identity like. Look here, children. Same. But here, previous one, root A minus root B. Like either root A, both have root. Here A also square root, B also square root is there. But coming to here, only one letter. Here there is no root for A, only root for B. Simple. Same formula, A plus root B, A minus root B, A square minus B. How will get it? A plus B into A minus B, you know that formula. But here, A into A square, no problem. But root B into root B square, stuff you. 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3.
4 minus 3.
Final answer, tell me.
1.
Very good. Because A plus B, A minus B, A square minus B square. That means here root will come. Right? So, square root to cancel, you will get 2 square is 4 minus 3 is equal to, clear? So here they are saying that first value no square root, second value only you have. Now, we know that, look here, a plus b whole square, identity 1, a square plus 2ab plus b square. We learn in area last year 8th grade only. Now, if both have root a plus root b whole square, here a is there, but here root a is there. Here b is there, root b is there. Okay, now same substitute. Where there is a, root a right. Where there is a b, root b right, like this. So here square root to cancel. However, we know, we learn in first formula, root a into root b, common root we will write. Yes or no? Here square root cancel a.
Yes, sir.
Square root, last one square root cancel b. So this is the formula. Here this is first one, copy for that. And Divya, yes, Shifali?
Sir, this other side, sir, where it's given square root a plus square root b is whole square is equal to this side, no, sir. This side we won't cancel the brackets, the squares.
No. This is common square now. We can't cancel. This is whole square. Humera, Hardik. Yes. You don't try, children. Next. I'm giving you one example. Look here top. Root 5 plus root 2 whole square. We know that a plus b whole square or not? Yes or no? So a square here. A square plus 2ab plus b square. However, square root to cancel, you will get 5 and 2 last. From here you will get 2. From here you will get 5. Inside value root 5 into root 2, you will get root 10. So, however, these both are rational numbers. 5 plus 2, 7. Just add it. Done. Over. 2 marks. Just copy. Laksh. Now, root 3 minus root 2 whole square. Root 3 minus root 2 whole square. Again, a square minus 2ab minus 2ab plus b square, like that you have to divide. Okay, now children, just do it. Copy. Now, first one value, tell me, children. Start doing. Please give me the answer.
Saumita.
Samita, tell me Samita.
9 plus 2 root 14.
Very good, Samita. Do next one silently. Answer. So, Pradeep, please respond.
Sir, it's 9 plus 2 root 14, sir.
Okay, Badri, good. Awab?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
What is the second one answer, Awab?
Sir, 1 second.
So, first one answer is?
Sir, 8 minus 2 root 15.
1 second. 2 root 14 is the first one. How many members got correct answer? Boys, somebody respond. Please for second answer. Awab, you are saying, I think.
Sir, can I tell the second one?
Can I say?
Can I say the second one, sir?
Sir, can I
Tarun, tell me.
Yeah, sir. Second one is 8 plus 2 into 15. 15.
Tarun, wrong. Tarun?
8 minus 2
minus.
into 15.
Minus
Root.
Very good. 8 minus 2 root?
15.
15.
Very good. Tarun, please check.
Yeah. Only minus sign was.
Very good. No problem. Next time read.
Third one is the
Yeah.
easiest answer, sir.
What is the answer, Apraishta?
2 minus 5. No, sir, it's
Tell me.
Or
Very
minus
good.
Minus 1.
minus 1.
How minus 1?
Minus
Sir, 4 minus 5, sir.
3.
Oi.
minus 3.
Can you
You
people?
are writing. So square root cancel. Here also square root to cancel. You will get 2 minus 5 is nothing but minus 3. So answer is minus 3. Just show the thumb. How many members got? Very good, Aditya. Very good. Kapri pass.
The second one I did not understand.
Second one, so you have to apply you have to apply a minus b whole square formula.
Okay, understand.
Here minus is there now, you have to apply minus b whole square formula. Little bit, one more step we are going to hide. I hope it is clear. Look here, a plus b, all of you stop writing. A plus b into c plus d. When you are multiplying, when you are multiplying, you know that a into whole bracket, b into whole bracket. That one I wrote here. Yes. After that, so a into c, a into d, a into c, a into d, b into c, b into d. So same here. Clear now? That is without square roots. Now if you got square roots, root a, root b. So same will write now. Where there is a, root a will write. I'll give the time to copy, children. Where there is a, root a. Where there is c, root c. Like that you will copy that. So last step we can write common root or not. A dot, first rule, root a into root c, common square root ac. Is it clear? Just formula.
Mani sir, but can't we just write it like root a into root c plus root d instead of dividing a with both?
Not dividing, multiplication, no?
Yes, sir, but then you have written it like root a into root c plus root a into root d. We can just do it as root a bracket root c plus root d, no sir.
You want to write last step directly?
No sir, I want to write it in the bracket. It will be easier like we did in...
Yeah, right. Continue. Shall I change?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
So this is continuation only, children, up to. So this is the same formula up to here only we completed. Now I'm giving you one example. Root 5 into root 5 plus root 2, root 3 plus root 7. Yes or no? So how will do, children? Root 5 into this one. Root 2 into total bracket. Just. I wrote last answer here. Please copy this. Same like that. Where there is a, you write 5. Where there is a c, you write root 3. Enough. Copy just 1 second. Yes, very good.
What if minus is there between root 3 and root 7?
Very good. So here minus is there, no problem. So if minus means where there is a minus 7, that means this is b value, yes? So here you will get, I think here you will get last value only minus, remain same positive.
Okay.
Good question. Now, don't copy, children. Already we discussed all, first formula and second all. I explained from first. This is over. This is our yes or no? First one we discussed. Root a, b. Root a, root b separate. Root a by b. Separate root also we can write. a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. This is the final answer. A plus root b. I explain you all this. Here they given a plus b whole square. I given you even root of a minus b whole square also. This is all algebraic operations, like addition, subtraction, all. This is all over.
In algebraic expressions identities we took, so but we just put square root on top of the numbers.
Yes. Now, look here. So, children, answers leave it. Just do these 4 sums. I'm giving one example sum. These 4 sums do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it. Start doing. Apply. First one formula is, last formula is there, a plus b, c plus d. That formula you have to apply. Last one. Yes.
So in the third one, we have to apply the formula of a square plus b square plus 2ab.
That means a plus b whole square. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Last one, which formula you had to apply?
A plus b into a minus b.
Very good. Who is that?
A minus b square.
Yes.
Yes, very good, very good. This is a minus b, a plus b. Here also same formula both. Okay, children. I want to go to second. So sum or difference of a rational numbers or irrational number is rational number. Addition means addition or subtraction. So the quotient, these all we discussed in previous. Now I'll take more 5 minutes. Just I want to explain here. Rationalization. So children, rationalization means, so 5 by root 3. Root 3 is irrational number. Yes or no? Root 3 is all.
Yes,
so we can't divide 5. What we will do now? If denominator is square root, we have to convert into rational number. That is called rationalization. So okay, understand? Rationalization. So denominator convert into rational number. Very simple. Here root 5 is there. So here root 5 by root 3 is there. So what we will do is numerator and denominator multiplied by same number, root 3 by root 3. Root 3 by root 3. So what is the answer now? 5 into root 3, 5 root 3, no problem.
10 and 9. 10 divided by root 9.
Why 10? 5 into root 3, 5 root 3 only.
Okay.
Root 3 into root 3?
3.
Very good. So root 3 square will be there. Square root 2 cancel. So you will get 3. That means
15 by 3.
no 15. Just this is whole number, like rational number. 5 root 3 by 3. Leave like that only. Just leave it. Enough. This is the solution. Now, what I have to divide here, numerator and denominator, tell me. Simple.
Root 14 by 14.
Very good. Root 14 by? Root 14 by?
14.
Very good. Root 14. Same. What is the denominator? Same multiply. Here, children, next number?
3 root 3 by 3.
2 root 3 by 3 root 3.
This is already whole number. Don't touch. Irrational number like
3 root by 3.
Just root 3 by
Root 3.
root 3 only. Okay, just observe irrational number, multiply irrational number only. Okay now. So what is the last number? Yes, sorry, one more number is there.
Root 5 by 5.
Root 5 by?
Root 5.
Very good. Root 5 by root 5. Just simple. Last number?
Root 6
by root 6.
Very good. Root 6 by?
Root 6.
Speed up children, fatafat, just copy. First step copy.